My first impressions of the Inventaprint team, very excited, very high energy, ready to learn, eager to work hard, full of ideas, super high energy. These guys were excited, and it was exciting to work with them. I think this platform, this product, has an opportunity to really be an impactful piece of software at the intersection of prototyping and supply chain management, particularly for early stage companies. I think it's a niche that hasn't been filled yet. I think there's a real opportunity there. One word that would describe Inventaprint: passionate. These guys really care about what they're doing, and they're really excited about it. It's a great pleasure of mine to introduce Rich from Inventaprint. Good luck, guys.
Ho, 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 it's magic. You know.
Thank you.
Never believe it.
Thank you. Thank you. There is an interesting mystery in the hardware space. Hardware companies are filled with experts. They know all the best practices for building hardware. So why is it so frustrating and time-consuming to build hardware? There's some of you in the audience that can relate to this. Well, there are 3 culprits responsible for this. 1, finding and vetting trusted manufacturing partners could take months. Most manufacturer discovery is still from word of mouth. 2, collaborating across multiple prototype revisions is challenging, with over 70% of communication done via email, and we all know how we love email. And 3, scaling is chaotic, with manually updated spreadsheets, you hear me, and no one tool to give a seamless ramp from prototype to production. Now that's where Inventaprint comes in. Inventaprint is at the intersection of prototyping, sourcing, and supply chain management. Inventaprint is changing the way hardware companies collaborate with their existing manufacturer network and find new vetted manufacturers. Inventaprint enables you to do this in minutes instead of months. Here's how it would work with a hardware company that's been tasked with developing a new high-performance treadmill. First, Inventaprint takes the component specifications and CAD files from the innovation team and provides them with a list of vetted manufacturers with in-depth details, such as compliance history, including pending lawsuits, credit profile, and shop capability, enabling them to select the right supplier for their needs. This takes vetting suppliers from months to just minutes. From there, the component enables you to collaborate with any number of our manufacturing experts across a thread of communication, enabling you to gain insights from manufacturing experts, improve your treadmill designs, and have better products. The team is also able to negotiate through this chat, which instantly generates a purchase order. There's no need to hire a sourcing expert. Inventaprint handles all the payment processing. From there, the team can get real-time status updates, such as schedule changes. No more sifting through emails and spreadsheets to prepare for that update meeting. This is very beautiful for a lot of you. On top of that, Inventaprint enables you to do this across limitless revisions, making it seamless to reorder your next part and scale to production. In addition, Inventaprint's proprietary algorithm is enhanced with each transaction, thereby creating a smarter ecosystem for the next innovation team. This is hardware development made easy. Thank you. Now, we're a two-sided platform, and we make money in 2 ways. We provide value to both sides. Innovation teams give us an annual license fee, and manufacturers pay us a commission on each transaction. Now, hardware companies spend over $590 billion on sourcing custom parts. That gives us a $59 billion market opportunity based on transaction volume. and we're already starting to serve customers. Our manufacturing experts have helped the customers save up to 96% in cost, go from component costs of over $50,000 to less than $2,000, and lead times of over 3 months to less than 2 weeks. And we're able to do this because at Inventaprint, we focus on design intent in addition to designing for manufacturability. Now, to date, we've vetted and signed over 100 manufacturing sites, spanning 3D printing, CNC machining fabrication, injection molding, with more to come. In the last 30 days, we've had over 117 active part orders from early adopters, totaling over $90,000 in value. But that's not all. Leveraging a proprietary process that uses analytics, we're able to scale our network and transactional volume. Now, let me introduce you to our team. Inventaprint was co-founded by my twin brother and I while working in our day jobs. He deserves an applause. Team's like family to me. Literally. Well, I have a mechanical engineering degree from Georgia Tech, a hardware patent related to the military space, and 6+ years of manufacturing and supply chain experience working at GE. Roland, our COO, has a civil engineering degree and has 5+ years of experience working on Wall Street as an investment banker, because that's a logical thing was for a civil engineer. Drew, a software engineer, brings prior startup experience and has a computer science degree. Our advisors bring experience from MakerBot, Peloton, Stanley Black & Decker, MIT, BAE Systems. I could go on, but they're incredible. Now let's face it, we all benefit when hardware companies can bring the ideas to life. Inventaprint is dedicated to making hardware development easier and faster without the chaos. Inventaprint is hardware made easy. Thank you.